Look, I think the Cataract is my best chair, simply because it's the most unique solution to the problem. It's a really honest response to a well-articulated brief. When you get a really clear brief for a chair, that's when you have the big breakthrough. Active sitting's so important. We're not a stationary animal. It's literally torture to hold a human being in one place. I knew the chair had to respond to the body, not like a spring. It needed to move as you move, a dynamic response. So the brief was for this bloke who, when he sat at a desk, he liked to lean back in the chair while he was thinking. And of course that breaks chairs. So he wanted a chair that he could lean back on. We were able to get the grain on the seat of the chair to really follow the form and create a very powerful aesthetic. Getting the geometry right, getting the engineering aspects so that, you know, when a large person tilts back and all that force is driven into the chair, you're working with the joinery. We have a saying that joinery holds chairs together, glue simply maintains relationships. I loved it when people started using the chair as a dining chair. It was never intended as a dining chair, but of course it was perfect. And I just love that as a craftsman and as a designer, you launch your piece out in the world and the audience tells you how they want to interact with it. One of the best compliments I ever got with the Cataract was that it somehow responds to the Australian lifestyle. We're a laid-back bunch and the idea of a dining rocking chair just really appealed.